jam right now, and I want you to face the group, and I want everyone just to get moving while everyone's dancing up here on the stage. Just so we can let loose. Feel confident. Now, everyone's going to do a walk in front. So, first person here, let your guy up, follow me. After I do it, I'll do it first.
Wasn't that fun? Look at the calories we're burning.
Didn't we mention we were going to be silly tonight?
Oh, that was great. Oh, to see everybody just feeling good, not caring about what people think, feeling sexy.